Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what do you do when you have a Tesla and you've got this kind of charger that does not fit into there? You get one of these things here, so I'm going to show you guys what it is. This is the adapter, and it's a J1772 to Tesla adapter. So I'll show you guys how this works and what it is. Sometimes the cars come with them, but I don't know if they do anymore. But so this is what it looks like here. So that's what the receptacle will take on there, and then that will fit into my car. So how cool is that? So then the way it works, you just kind of stick it in there like that, clips on, so now it's sturdy, and then you stick it in your car like that, and you're able to charge. I mean, how cool is that? And then to get it out, you know, it kind of locks in place, but if you push the button, it knows to let it go, and then you can pull it back out again. So if you have one of these chargers here, like we have one of these at our house because we also have a Rivian, we have that, but so you can charge either car with it with just this little adapter. I mean, that's so cool. Or sometimes you go like to the hotels. I know we go to the hotels a lot, and they just give you that the J1772 charger. So we have the ability now to do this. So super cool. I'm gonna say these are awesome. Thumbs up from me. Be sure to pick one of these up, and you should be happy with that.